Tired of pasta that comes from a box? What if I told you that you could make pasta at home that's 1,000 times better in just about 15 minutes? Well, I've spent the last few weeks putting 6 of the most popular models to the test. We're going to break down the good, the bad, and the doughy to find out which machine is truly the best. And trust me, my number one pick is probably not what you're expecting. 6. Newhai electric family pasta maker machine. Now, this is what you'd call a roller and cutter style machine. You still make the dough yourself, and then this machine automates the laborious part, the rolling and the cutting. On the surface, it looks like a classic Italian pasta maker, but with a motor strapped to the side to save your arm strength. It promises simplicity, and for a lot of people just starting out, that's exactly what they're looking for. The setup is straightforward, clamping onto your counter. When I first got it running, the initial impression was, well, it works. The motor turns the rollers and it does flatten the dough. It comes with attachments for spaghetti and fettuccine, which is pretty standard. But, as I started using it more, a few little things started to pop up. The clamp that holds it to the counter, for instance, felt a little insecure. I had to really crank it down to stop it from wobbling, especially when the dough started getting thin and putting more resistance on the rollers. The overall build just feels a bit on the lighter side. Let's talk about the actual process. You feed your flattened dough into the rollers, adjusting the thickness with a dial. The motor is definitely present. It's got a noticeable hum that fills the kitchen, so it's not exactly a quiet, peaceful experience. It gets the job done, but getting a perfectly consistent sheet of pasta took a bit of practice. 5. Newtry electric pasta maker. This one definitely feels like a step up in terms of build quality. The moment you take it out of the box, you notice its weight. This thing is a solid chunk of stainless steel, and it looks like a piece of commercial equipment you'd find in a small restaurant. It's a roller and cutter machine like the Newhai, but it feels much more substantial and heavy duty, which gave me a lot more confidence right from the start. The features are what you'd expect, but done better. The thickness adjustment knob clicks into place with a satisfying, solid feel. The motor is noticeably more powerful and runs a bit smoother than the Newhai's motor. When I started feeding dough through it, there was no struggle, no motor strain, nothing. It just powered through, creating beautifully smooth and even sheets of pasta. The process of rolling the dough was genuinely a breeze. For just pure rolling power and consistency, this machine is a beast. It does a gentanious job of rolling dough into perfect sheets, and the cutting attachments work cleanly, provided your dough is right. It feels durable, like it could handle years of heavy use without breaking a sweat. If your only goal is to make large batches of long pastas like fettuccine and you need a machine that can keep up, this one certainly has the power and the build to do it. It's a true workhorse in that specific department. 4. Philips compact pasta maker. And this is where things get really interesting because we're leaving the roller and cutter world behind and entering the world of extruders. This machine changes the game entirely. Instead of you making the dough, the machine makes the dough for you. It mixes, it kneads, and then it pushes the dough out through a disc to create the pasta shape. The promise here is true automation, and let me tell you, it's pretty incredible. The process is almost laughably simple. You open the lid, dump in your flour, close it, and then select your program. As the machine starts mixing, you slowly pour your egg and water mixture through a small slot in the lid. That's it. You just walk away. The machine does all the work, and in about 10 to 15 minutes, you have fresh pasta being extruded from the front. It comes with discs for spaghetti, fettuccine, and penne, which covers the most popular shapes. It even comes with a little flat tool to cut the pasta to your desired length as it comes out. The pasta that this machine produces is fantastic. The texture is amazing with that perfect al dente bite that you only get from fresh pasta. The machine seems to nail the hydration and kneading process every single time, so the results are incredibly consistent. For someone who might be intimidated by making pasta dough from scratch, this machine completely removes that barrier. 3. The Phittis electric pasta machine. Think of this as the big brother to the Philips. It operates on the same principle, it's an all-in-one mixer and extruder, but it takes everything up a notch.
If the Phillips is about making pasta easy, the Phittis is about making it easy and giving you an almost overwhelming amount of choice and precision. This machine is for the person who wants to experiment. The first thing you'll notice is the sheer number of shaping discs it comes with. I think my box had 13 of them. We're talking spaghetti, fettuccine, lasagna sheets, macaroni, angel hair, penne, even dumpling wrappers. The variety is just wild. It immediately opens up a whole world of culinary possibilities that go way beyond simple noodle dishes. But the killer feature, the one that really sets it apart, is the built-in scale. You just add your flour and the machine tells you exactly how much liquid to add. It removes all guesswork. Using it is an absolute dream. Thanks to that built-in scale, you get a perfect dough every single time. There's no more worrying about humidity or the type of flour you're using. The machine just figures it out for you. The motor is powerful yet surprisingly quiet, and the entire process feels incredibly refined. You just press a button, add your liquids, and wait for pasta to appear. The quality of the pasta is, just like the Phillips, absolutely top-notch across all the different shapes I tried. 2. Cuisinart bread, pasta, and dough maker. This machine takes a slightly different angle. It asks the question, what if your pasta maker could do more? And boy, does it deliver on that premise. It's an excellent extruder-style pasta maker, but it's also a fantastic dough mixer for breads and pizzas. It's a true kitchen multitasker. As a pasta maker, it's right up there with the best. It mixes and extrudes the dough beautifully. It comes with 6 different discs, which covers the essential shapes you'd want, from spaghetti to rigatoni. The process is simple, the parts feel incredibly high quality, and the pasta it produces is consistently delicious. If it only made pasta, it would still be a very strong contender on this list. It's a solid, reliable, and well-designed machine from a brand known for quality. But the magic happens when you explore its other functions. I used it to mix up a batch of pizza dough, and it was perfect. The kneading hook worked the gluten perfectly, creating a smooth, elastic dough in minutes. It completely removes the most labor-intensive part of making bread or pizza from scratch. For someone who might not have the space or budget for both a pasta maker and a stand mixer, this machine is an incredible solution. It combines 2 very useful appliances into one sleek package. The overall build quality is just what you'd expect from Cuisinart. It feels robust, thoughtfully designed, and built to last for years.
Number 1. Antree Pasta Maker Attachment Set. Now, I can already hear you. That's not a machine, it's an attachment, and you are absolutely right. But let me explain why, for a certain type of person, this is unequivocally the best choice you can make. This is for the person who already owns the king of kitchen appliances, the KitchenAid stand mixer. If you have a KitchenAid, you already have the most important part of any electric pasta maker, a powerful, reliable workhorse of a motor. These Antree attachments are designed to harness that power, and unlike many other attachments, these are not made of plastic. They are crafted from solid, food-grade stainless steel. They feel heavy, substantial, and professional in your hands because they are built to a professional standard. This set brings you back to the traditional method of rolling and cutting, but it perfects the process. You use your stand mixer's own bowl and dough hook to mix and knead your pasta dough, which it does better than almost any other machine. Then you pop on the roller attachment, and here is the game changer. You have both of your hands free. You're not cranking with one hand and feeding dough with the other. You can guide the sheet of pasta perfectly, as the KitchenAid's motor does all the work. You can achieve paper-thin, delicate sheets for ravioli with a level of control and ease that standalone rollers just can't match. Final thought. So there you have it, 6 fantastic options for bringing fresh pasta into your life, from the all-in-one convenience of the Phillips and Phittis, to the multitasking Cuisinart, to the professional-grade results of the Antree attachments. The best choice really depends on your needs and what you already have in your kitchen.